Hello, my name's Craig Regan. I'm one of the owners here of the Red Hill Epicurean, a historic building. It's been in the area running as a Coolstore since about the 1920s. We took over the lease here in 2008 and we renovated the building to what it is today. The Epicurean has three parts to it. We do have a cafe at the front which services people just coming in for that quick coffee and cake. We also have a little gallery upstairs just to show some of the local artists. And the big part of the building is the shed here, which concentrates on lunches, full-on Italian menu, wood-fired pizza, and we also can cater for very large functions and weddings up to about 240. So we also collaborate with a lot of the local producers here. Obviously wine, it's in abundance. We also use a lot of the local food producers around, from olive oils to fresh produce, all local. But also just anybody who's got some packages or any services and extra things that we can add on to our offer to our customers. So if any providers would like to reach out to us, they can certainly contact me here at the Epicurean. Or if you just want to come along for a nice coffee or a fantastic wood-fired pizza, some lunch to enjoy with your family, we welcome you here.